Oh, he turned it on. You guys see the power, and we're gonna see if it turns on. But it looks like everything's turning on, except for the fan. This is the cool master that we're putting on the system. Hyper 212 RGB Black Edition. Look at this. So we got it open. So it comes with one fan, and it comes with the stock parts, and it has two connections. One for the RGB lighting connection, 12 volts of course, and then you have the power connection for your fan. It comes with the actual cables, two cables already attached to the fan, and the screws. They give you 4 screws to mount in case you have another one, and they give you the side mounts too, so they could grab onto the thing. Putting this one is a little difficult on AMD. You have to follow the instructions. You can put a faceplate if you want, or use the existing one, and they give you 2 types of screws so the fittings could actually fit. All right, so you look at the little video that we're going to put in here. Hopefully it could help you out. This way, it's going to be on this side, right? Sucking in the air from the outside, from the fans that are sucking in air. So this is going to blow air in, all right? And that one's going to be blowing out. So see how the fans are here? We're going to put the thermal piece. You ready? All right, try to minimize it. First, mess around with it if you can. From all the way to the corner almost, or in the middle. No, corner, kind of in the middle. There you go, right there. Keep going. And that's it, Then do the other X to the part. And then waste it by putting dots, like little dots in between. See, you have more, or that's it? I have more. Okay. I will put one more dot here, one more in between. Yeah, there you go. And that's it. That's it. That's good. You don't need too much. Now, this is the hardest part, right? I wouldn't use this one. I would have to use this one or this one, all right? To put this on. You ready? So you take this off. Take that off. Once you take it off, label before you use it, of course, right? So take it off. It's yours. You do it. You don't have to, you just drop it. Don't worry about it. Once you tied it up, do cross, all right? Remember, tie one corner first and then try the other one. So holding it down, twist. Not too much, all right? Once it goes in, that's it. That's it. Once it goes in, that's it. Do it on the other side. So you can have adjusting power. You need some cojones to do that. Not too much, all right? We don't want to bend it too much. Okay, that's good. So this one's good. We adjust it. See how I adjust it automatically? Look good. Did it come out? Spot. Once for the RGB lighting, remember I told you there's a thing that starts, and then here. All right. So now you have this one. That's for the color changing of this. All right. This one. Right. Any of those two. All right. And then we want to zip tie these probably. So we'll go into the fan. We give you 2 zip ties. Let it drop first. All right, so we're looking at the system itself as a thermal. If you can see all 3 fans sucking in the air right now, it's blowing it in, but if you can see, it's distributing it everywhere here, and we have 100 on the actual GPU. So the GPU, we want to make sure that it is kicking in, because maybe the fan's not working or something. We have to find out. But this is how you could tell where all the heat, of course, is coming out to the back, 80, but it stays around the area here by the GPU. The GPU is hot right now, and we're looking at close to 114 to 113. But look at the cooling, the Cool Master. This is the Cool Master, guys. It is running really good. It's keeping it cool. As you can see, it's rebooting the system too. Alright guys, here's the whole setup right now. It's coming along. Here's a Cool Master. Recommendation, maybe setting up another fan, and they did give you the extra brackets for the fan for the Cool Master here. If you can see it, and it's lighting up. We got the RGB lighting. We didn't get the RGB lighting for the one in the back, but it's fine. We're gonna include another one here, blowing air out. But if you can see, it mounted pretty good. Came with the extra slots. It took us a while because we had to make sure that we had the correct mount. We could have kept the existing mount from the back of the motherboard, but we ended up getting this one. It looks really nice. Look at the colors. You could control this through a motherboard, of course. You could download the application, or you could do it through BIOS. And also, if you have CAM, no matter if you don't have an NCXE type, you could still do it from there. So, not bad. And look at the 3 fans. Boom. Generating air coming in through here, these 3, sucking the air in here, and blowing back out to the outside. So that's how it's going to work. The majority of the heat that we just saw right now dispensing was coming from the GPU, not the CPU, and everything in here looks really cool. It feels really cool in here. I feel the air right here. And right now they're not set to high. I can tell, but because they're really quiet, so not bad.